first year electrician trade, Wiring-Sriniavsa ITI College. It located Sathasai district, Andhra Pradesh. Today I am going to explain single phase electrical wiring. In this project work, we required materials and tools. Materials: energy meter, DP switch, 4-pole MCB, ammeter, voltmeter, indicators, 2-way switches, 3-pin sockets, holders, series test board, 1.5 mm wires, PVC pipes. Tools: combination plier, neon tester, wire stripper, multimeter, insulation tape, screwdriver set, hand drill, hacksaw blade. Single phase electrical wiring is used domestic purpose and residential homes. The energy meter is used how to measure the consumable of current. DP switch is on and off purpose, and 4-pole MCB is to protect the circuit. Ammeter and voltmeter. Ammeter is use the current reading and voltmeter is use the voltage reading. We take the source to energy meter and DP switch on, 4-pole MCB on. See the voltage reading in voltmeter 0 to 230 volts approximately. Go down wiring. We use 3 bulbs and 3 switches. All 3 bulbs are connected to neutral and phase wire is connected to one switch to another switch. The S1 switch is on first bulb glow. The S2 switch is on second bulb glow. S3 switch is on third bulb glow. And then S3 switch is off, S2 bulb glow. S2 switch is off, S1 bulb glow. S1 switch is off. All 3 bulbs are not glow. Check the continuity test in series testing board. Finally, complete the single phase wiring. Thank you for watching.